guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. Today's video is in collaboration with Myanmar Creations owner Lona Bonju. She did make this costume and she also filmed this process. I will leave down the link to her video in the description box, as well as Tracy Mudoni, who modeled this costume and I believe also did a bit of the sewing in the costume. I will also leave down a link to her page in the description box, so if you guys are interested in that, do check them out. But yeah, with that being said, I guess we can get right into the video. First, we're going to start by priming the lid, then setting the primer with this brown shade from this palette. I'll be using this orange as a transition shade and this brown to define the crease. I'll be creating a smoky eye with this black on the outer corner of her eyes, then cutting the crease with creamy beige from LA Girl. I'll be setting the concealer with this gold shade, packing this copper shade on the outer corner of the cut crease. I'll be going in with this light gold on the inner corner and packing these two glitters only around some places where I cut the crease. Next, I'll be going in with this liner. Now we can get into the face. Because she has dry skin, I'll be going in with bio oil as a primer and correcting any darkness she might have with this corrector. I'll be using this shade as her foundation shade and blending that in with a blender. Highlighting her face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then using this shade as a contour shade. Then just slowly blending that into her skin. Next, I'll be setting the under eye with this benign powder. As the under eye bakes, I'll be going in with the same matte shades I used on the lid. First going in with the orange, and then with the brown, and finally with the black. To darken the under eye a bit more, I'll be going in with this LA Girl Glide Liner, and then to highlight the whites of her eyes, I'll be going in with this NYX liner. Sweeping the bake and then setting her face with this shade. I'll be placing this blush right on the apples of her cheeks, no blending or anything. We want this to stand out extremely. Then highlighting the high points of her face with this shade. I'll be drawing a triangle on her nose using this shade, and I'll be using the very same shade to just draw a bit of highlights on the cheeks. Then to give that little nose a stitched kind of look, I'll be going around it with black and then just drawing straight lines across and then adding lines all around her face. This is optional, but I'll be doing a patch on her face and I'll just be going in with this shade on the corners of the patch, and then I'll be going in with the blue on the other corners of the patch. Then you can just follow along here. I'm not quite sure how to explain this. Using these two shades, I'm going to be contouring her face. You should do this step right after the blush, but I forgot, so I'm setting her face now. Then going back in with that black, I'm going to be filling in her lower lip and then extending that line outwards. And draw X's and sticks on that line. I'll be using this shade and setting spray to put in 4 freckles on. Then using this brown all around the patches and X's to make shadows. Lastly, add some lashes and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it. Check out my other videos in my Halloween series, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!